Okay, now same nearest 100 when the number is 5 or greater than 5, right? Same thing what we did in the nearest 10, right? Same thing you have to do, but here we have to see which place. We have to see the tens place, right? So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I have taken the number. Just we have to replace this ones place with 0. So this 5. So 5, what I told you, when the number is 15. Okay, just focus on this 15, right? We have to replace this number with 0 and add 1 to the next one. It will become 20. And this 6 we have to replace it with what? 0. So it will become 200. Okay. Same way, 26 will become 30. 7 replaces, replace the 7 with 0. Then 37 will become 40. It will become 400. 48 will become what? 50. It will become 500. And 59 will become 59. Replace it with 0. Add 1. It will become 60. Means 600. Right? Same thing what we did in the nearest 10. You have to see the number. The number is 5 or greater than 5. Replace that number with 0 and add 1 to the next number. Okay? Now here 15. 5 is replaced with what? 0. And we have added 1 to this number. So it will become 200. Right? Same thing we have to do in nearest 1000. Here the place is 100. Okay? What we did in the nearest 10. In nearest 10 we have seen the ones place, whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5, right? Same way we have did in nearest 100. Same thing, but here the place was different. The place was tens, but we have seen the number less than 5 or greater than 5 or 5, including 5. Same thing we are going to do in nearest 1000. Okay? And I will give some example of nearest 1000 also. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, now come to nearest 1000. So in nearest 1000, which place we have to see? We have to see the 100 place. Okay, so here I have written a number less than 5 in which place? 100 place. Ones, tens, this is 100. Okay, same thing we have to do what we did in nearest 10, nearest 100. We have to see the number. If it is less than 5, replace it with 0. If it is greater than 5 or 5, we have to replace the ones and tens place with 0 and add 1 to the next number. Okay, and including 100 place also. Right. So first we are going to do the numbers less than 5. Here I have written some numbers, and if you see that here the number is 4-digit numbers, right? So here first is 41, 52, 23 and 34. So 41 is replaced with, this one is replaced by 0, then other 2. So answer is 4000. Okay, don't get confused with these two numbers, right? Same way, 52 will become what? 50. 23 will become 20. 34 will become 30. Right? So now come to the next one when the number is greater than 5 or 5. Okay? Okay, the same number with the numbers greater than 5 or including 5. These two are same. I have just changed this 100 place. I have written 5, 6, 7, 8. This number including 5 is where, and the numbers greater than 5, right? And here I have written this is 5, 6, 2, 4. So what you have to see, just you have to see these two numbers. Okay? Replace it. Suppose it is 55. 55. This number is 5 or greater than 5. We will replace it with 0 and add 1 to it. So it will become what? 60. Means 55 to 59, it will become 60. So this will become what? 6,000. 66 will become what? 66 plus 1, replace it with 0. 7,000. Right? 27 will become 30. 48 will become what? 50. Okay? So this you have to do it in nearest 1000. So once again in nearest 10, what you have to do is just up the board, a quick replay what we have done. Okay, so in nearest 10, which place you have to see? You have to see ones place, right? You have to check. What you have to check? If the number, I'm using a short form, is less than 5 or greater than 5 or 5, including 5, right? Or including 5. So in nearest tens, which place you have to see? The ones place. In nearest 100, we have to see which place? Tens place. Nearest 1000, we have to see the 100 place, right? So all in these three cases, what you have to do? In nearest 10, we have to see the ones place. The ones place, if the number is less than 5, replace that number with 0. If the number is 5 or greater than 5, replace that number with 0 and add 1 to the next number. For example, suppose 15 is there and 12 is there. Here the number is less than 5, so replace this 2 with 0 and write 1 as it is. But in this case, what happened? 5 or greater than 5, right? In 5, replace with 0, but add 1 to the next number, right? So it will become 20, right? So remember, 15 to 19, it will become 20. If it is instead of 15, 16 is there, then also it will become 20. If it is 17, then also it will become 20. Same way, same thing you have to do it in nearest 10, sorry, nearest 100. But here, which place you have to see? Tens place. For example, 2, 4, 2. The number is less than 5. So 22 will become 20. Replace this number with 0 and 22 will become 20. If the number is 268, right, this number is greater than 5, 26 will become 30. Okay, same thing we have to do it in nearest 1000 also. In nearest 1000, which place you have to see? 100 place, right? 3, 4, 2, 8. Which number is here? 1s, 10s, 100. 3, 83 will become what? 80, right? Same way. Suppose the number is 86, 4, 2, right? Here the 6 is greater than 5. Okay, I will take 7. 87 will become what? 90. One example. 90, 90, 909. Okay, this is the number 9,999, 999. What do you have to do? Suppose in one question I am going to tell you nearest 100, nearest tens and nearest 1000. See, first case, nearest 10. Greater than 5. So we will replace this number with what? 0 and add 1 to it. It will become, again it will become 0. This will become, in which case? In nearest 10. Same case in nearest 100. Which place we have to see? The tens place. Again we will get the same answer, right? And nearest 1000 also, we will get the same answer. Okay, means if the number is like 99 or all 99, okay, nearest 10, it will become 100. Okay, and if then question is nearest 100, 999, which place? Tens place. Replace it with 0. 0, 9 plus 1, 1000. If this question is nearest 1000, and suppose 9 is here, okay, add 1 to this number. Sorry, add 0 to this number and add 1 to this number. So 9 plus 1 will become 10. Okay, so one more thing you have to do, that is general rule. In general rule, what you have to do is, and I'll tell you have to see the digits. Digit means the number having 2-digit number or 3-digit number or 4-digit number, right? If in general rule, if the number is 2-digit, okay, if 2-digit number is there, you have to say which place? Nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 means which place? Suppose 25 is there, it will become 30. Right? Same way. In general rule, 3-digit number is there. 3-digit number means 348. Which place we have to see? Tens place. We have to see nearest 100, tens place, it will become 300. So by seeing the digit, you have to keep it in your mind. If the number in general rule, if the number is 2-digit, you have to see the ones place. If the number is 3-digit, you have to see the tens place. If the number is more than 3-digit, okay, you have to see nearest 100. Sorry, nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, which place? 100 place. So 48 will become what? 50. Here 56 will become what? 60. So 1. So how to do this one? Look here. We will replace that last 2 number with 0. This number also we are going to replace it with 0. Add 1 to this one. So it will become 60. 1 and 2 will remain same. So 1, 2 will remain same. This 56 becomes 60 and this 2. Okay. Which place we have seen? We have seen 100 place, nearest 1000. If the digit is more than 3 digits. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever may be the digit. Okay. If the 3 digit is, then you have to see the tens place. If it is more than 3 digit, then you have to see the 100 place. So general rule you have to do like this. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Then rest, when we start the exercise, I will tell once again to you. Okay.